What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first video of mine. Before we get into the video, I want to take a second and tell you guys to check my description box to find links to support both George Floyd and Breonna Taylor. You can donate, you can sign petitions, and feel free to drop any other links that you guys may have that you guys know are supporting the cause. But anyways, so today I'm going to be filming my first makeup tutorial in like 6 years or something. And I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. And I say makeup because I'm actually not wearing a full face. I know it looks like it. It looks like I have a full foundation, blush, highlight, contour, but I'm really not. And once you guys watch the tutorial, you'll see that it's just a few products I use to achieve this look. I've been wearing this look in all of my YouTube videos lately, all of my Instagram pictures, and everybody's been telling me, oh my god, your skin looks so good. What foundation are you using? What concealer are you using? And I just decided to finally bring the people what they wanted and make a tutorial on. I'm gonna have all the products that I use listed. Oh my god, I can't even fucking talk. I'm going to have all the products that I use listed in the description box down below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. Definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see this look, if you want to see more of the ponytail braid. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and Snapchat, because why not? We should be friends. Anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because that would so help me out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And without further ado, let's get right into the makeup tutorial. Alright guys, I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in so long. I literally don't remember how to do it, but I've already prepped my skin with these two things that I use every single day. The first is sunscreen. I use baby sunscreen because it's good for sensitive skin, and this one's SPF 50. And then I've just started using this one. This is a hyaluronic acid vitamin C serum. So it's hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. People say you're supposed to use vitamin C in the morning, so yeah. Okay, so I've been using the same eyebrow pencil or the same brow technique for years now, and it's honestly what works for me. I know some people like to use powders and stuff, but I really like using a pencil. This is the LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in black brown. I don't use black on my eyebrows. It's way too harsh, and even if your hair is as dark as mine, I really wouldn't suggest doing it because you're going to be looking crazy. But my concealer that I'm using is new. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish. I'm in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've been watching my Insta stories, you know I have been raving about this concealer because it's so good. Guys, look how close. You'll see it has these little red streaks in it. So for most people, that would be like a turn off from the concealer. It's going to be red. But it's actually really great when it comes to an under eye concealer because the red is going to act as a color corrector to cancel out your dark spots. So for me, the trick when I'm doing my eyebrows is just to follow my brows' natural shape. I don't think it's smart to try and redraw the shape of your eyebrows because it's very difficult to do, especially if you're just starting out wearing makeup. Like, it's just not smart. What I love about this concealer is that it's pretty thick. So I will just take this, and look at how fat the wand is. Like, it reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape. I love thick concealer wands. So I just take a flat brush, looks like that. I just take a flat brush and I take a little bit of concealer and I just carve out my eyebrows to be very sharp and smooth. That's what that one looks like, and I'm just gonna do the same onto the other. So what I do is I do them separately first, and then I go in and try to make them match each other. So my eyebrows look beautiful. And then I just take like a fluffy brush and I blend it out. I don't blend it like super far up. I blend out like the bottom edge because I don't want to mess up that sharp edge that I've created. I literally haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in so long, and it's crazy because that's literally what I started this channel for. I thought all I would do is do makeup reviews and like try on hauls and stuff, and now I do like everything but that. So when so now that my brows are done, we're gonna get into the face. And when I do my quick glam, I'm going for the look that I'm going for is just good enough to look like I'm wearing makeup in pictures. I don't really do the whole shebang, so I don't do primer because I want that sunscreen, because the sunscreen creates like a greasy layer for me and it makes it easier for me to blend my stuff out. So I don't do primer and I don't do foundation. So I'm going to take that same concealer and I'm going to just basically put it on the parts of my face where I would normally highlight. I'm not gonna like take all of this because I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a lot of concealer that comes on the wand, so I'm just gonna like dab it and just like accentuate my face. It doesn't make sense as I'm saying it, but when you guys see me do it, it's gonna make sense. And I also take it on the inner hollows of my eyes because that makes me look a lot more awake. So this is my little concealer pattern. I know it looks crazy, but it works. Another tip that I do is I use like a brush to blend it out instead of a beauty blender, because this is not a lot of concealer as it is, so I don't want to use a beauty blender because it's gonna take away even more of that coverage. I want it to be as full coverage as possible, so I'm going to use my brush. I'm gonna like just gently blend it out. You guys will see. Like I said, a little bit of this concealer goes a long way. I put on way more than I meant to, but it's gonna be fine. I'm also gonna use that same brush that I used earlier to do like this, the inner hollows of my eyes, because the other brush is too big. So I do like right there. Another thing I want to say about the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is that it does oxidize, so it might look really like orange or something when you first put it on, but give it a couple minutes and it'll set right in. So now would be the point where I can go back with my beauty blender and just like blend it out, or just to remove Jesus, just to remove any excess product. I never leave the house without setting it because I just feel like it's gonna crease. So I'm gonna be using my favorite Drugstore. By the way, all these products are Drugstore. I have done this look with high-end products before, but we're trying to keep it cheap. So I'm gonna be using my Hard Candy translucent powder. This is the best Drugstore translucent powder I have ever tried. It's amazing. It's literally clear. So I'm just gonna take that on my beauty blender and just set the areas where I put concealer on, except for my eyebrows. I'm not gonna set underneath my eyebrows. So now that I've said it, you guys can really see how the concealer just completely erased my dark circles, erased any hyperpigmentation, but like this sides of my face and my forehead and stuff still don't have any makeup on them. So you can totally just stop here if you want. I've definitely stopped here. This is good enough to take pictures in, but I'm a little extra, so I'm gonna go in with bronzer, which is the other product that we're using in this video. So I just like to take a little bronzer on a blending brush, and I like to put it on my eyelids. Like my eyelids are already brown, but they're like a cool tone brown, so adding the bronzer like warms it up and it makes it look like I haven't gotten punched in the eye, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, this tutorial is not gonna be longer than 20 minutes, in Jesus' name. I just be talking like, what have I been talking about for 11 minutes already? Literally. And if you want, you can bronze your face too, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to do bronzer today. Next step is highlighter. So this is the third product we're using, and this highlighter, I showed it in my graduation Get Ready With Me, and it is amazing. It's the Hard Candy 24 karat gold highlighter in the shade Just Glow. And look at it, you guys. And it's white, gold, and bronze. And so you can either just use them individually or swipe your brush across all three to get that iridescent effect. So I'm going to use all three today, and I very, very gently, this is just so my face doesn't look so flat, you know. I feel like it's not really showing up as bright on camera, but it's really bright in real life. And I always do my tip of my nose and in between my eyes, and then my other cheekbone. Okay, this lighting might be a bit bright, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. Go back in with the brush from before. I use it to like push in under my eyes because I feel like my under eyes look a little creasy. So now we've gone on to our highlighter, and now we're going to go to lashes. Again, you can stop here. This looks fine as it is, but whenever I'm taking pictures, I kind of have to wear lashes. Lately, I've been back into more natural looking lashes. So these are lashes I'm wearing right now. These are the Kiss IMV 3D collection. I don't have the original packaging, but I just kind of write my lashes right there, so whenever you guys ask me what lashes I'm wearing, I can show it to you. And these are the number 29, excuse me, in Iconic. And another thing that I always do with my lashes, always, because my eyes are so small, is I always cut, like, you see how they're in bunches? I cut off like one bunch from the end so that my lashes start here. I don't like my lashes to sit all the way on the inside corner of my eye because it makes my eyes look really dark. So I'm gonna do that, and then I just use the Star Lash Glue, which is also from Beauty Supply. And so I'm just gonna apply a thin layer to my lashes and let it sit and dry. And I always put a little extra at the corners because those are the parts I want to come up first. So I let my lashes dry like 50% before I put them on. And while I'm waiting oh my god, I can't even talk. While I'm waiting for them to dry, I'm gonna do my lip combo, which I get so many questions about what lip I use. I'm about to show y'all, don't even worry. So, oh shit. So I've pretty much been wearing the same lip for a couple of weeks now, and it's the same 3 products. So there's only one lip liner that I use, even though I have like 30 lip liners. This is the only one that I use. This is the NK eye pencil, actually, in the shade brown. It's just brown, and what I hate about this is that it's a regular pencil, so I have to sharpen it. And I've been trying to find like little automatic lip liners to replace that with, but nothing is as perfect for me as this one is. So I don't use this every time I'm wearing makeup. I only use it like if I got a little foundation on my lips, or I feel like I need to fix the edge. So I'm just gonna put some like right here, and I'll draw like over my Cupid's bow. Also, wax your face. Like, I'm gonna make a face waxing tutorial. Waxing your face will make your lips look so much better. And I just do like right there. Like, I don't do like the whole 9 with lip liner. Step 2 is just any clear lip gloss. So right now I'm using the RK by Kiss Jelly Lippies. Oh my god, Jelly Lippies, and it's just a clear lip gloss. So I would suggest using a thinner clear lip gloss for this one. Like, when I'm doing clear by itself, I use a thick one, but this one's a little thinner, so I'm just gonna use this. And I apply a nice even, a medium thick layer. I've done more than this, a medium thick layer. And then this lip gloss, oh my gosh, I've been wearing this non-stop ever since I got it from my Dollar Tree haul that you guys saw. It's the LA Colors Plump Gloss in the shade Shocker. It is this beautiful, oh my god, let me focus it. It is this beautiful pink with like gold flecks in it. At first I thought I wouldn't like it that much, but you guys, it makes my lips look so good. So I just apply this right over my clear, and it just gives my lips the perfect pink tint. Like, it's not too pink, it's not too brown, not too gold, it's perfect. And it's buildable, so if I want a little more pink, I'll go with a second layer. And I do the clear lip gloss first and this second because I don't think this color by itself is glossy enough for me. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know when I do gloss, I do gloss. I don't do like no little put in the center and tap it. Like, no, I want my lips to look like they're wrapped in plastic. At this point, my lashes are dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply them. And I use this finger to push down my lashes, and I put this in the outer corner of my eye, and I just use the tweezers to fix the inner and outer corner. It's really hard to show on camera, so I'm gonna have to do it in this mirror. I apologize in advance if you guys can't see it, but this is what I do. And if the glue is tacky enough, it should stick the first time. I just fix the outer corner, and I go in and I fix the inner corner as well. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my bottom lash mascara, which I just started wearing. I used to hate bottom mascara so much. So this is the mascara that I've been using lately. I just got it with the money I got from my grad party. And this is the Maybelline Great Lash in the Lots of Lashes one. So it's the one that has the triangle brush. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lashes. And I'm also going to use these lashes to blend out my my lashes on the top. This gloss is so fucking pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're about to do our last step. So sometimes I'll leave it like this if I want a darker look on the eyes, but my eyes are really small, and so I like to highlight them so they look a little bigger. So I'm going to take the same highlighter I use on my cheekbones and the same brush, and I literally swipe it across my eyelids as if it was eyeshadow. Like, no particular rhyme or reason. Sometimes I'll go with an eyeshadow brush to make it more like precise. Most of the time I just, from inner corner to outer corner, I just spread it on there. Alright guys, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I know you guys think that I wear a lot more makeup than I actually do, but honestly, if you just have 2 or 3 products, you can really create a look that looks like you're wearing a full face of makeup, even if you're not. And I really hope you guys, oh fuck, I have something in my eye. Oh my god. So I love wearing this look, and I really hope you guys liked it as well. Let me give you guys a close-up. Here's what the eyes look like. Sorry, the lash glue is still drying here. Let me look down so you guys can see. Peep the brows, peep the highlight, peep the natural lip, and that is literally it, you guys. Like, I don't do any super complicated, you know, techniques. It's really easy to recreate. I really hope you guys liked it. I'm going to try and have all the products that I use linked down below, as well as the skincare products that I used before the video as well, if you guys are interested. But I pretty much said what, like 5 or 6 products that I used. Oh shit, it's in my eye again. Okay, I got it out of my eye for real this time. Definitely leave me a comment if you've tried any of these products and what you think of them. Also, thumbs up this video if you like it and you want to see more makeup tutorials from me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You know, support Black creators, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.